Hello everyone. It's highly recommended that you run through this class on a Linux distribution. Some are run within a Windows environment and not on a Linux VM or distribution. The issue that is recurring is when you double click a Python file and it runs, it disappears when you press return. A couple different ways to get around that. You can either go into properties here, change, more apps, scroll all the way down, look on the PC, program files. I think mine's an x86 here. Let's take a look. x86, Python, lib, I believe it's idle, and select your idle.bat. So that file default opens in idle and it won't close when it's ran. Or you could simply add an input line to the end of your statement, press enter to close, save it. We'll go back, we'll double click again. It pops up. Answer the question, hit enter, prints it back, window doesn't close, press enter to close, I press enter, it receives the input, it closes the window. Highly recommended that you run a Linux distro for this to support this class, but if you're running Windows, things could be changed or altered to operate as needed. Also, command prompt. You can also run your script by typing in Python, being in the directory that your script is, or giving it the fully qualified location. So Python, name of the script, press enter, press enter to close, rock and roll. Cool. Hope that helps if you're running Windows.